A lot of people know about the judge rule in Code4rena, but they don't know much about a scout rule. There is also a role called scout in Code4rena.
Yeah.
And you were a scout in several competitions.
Yeah.
So first, can you tell us what is the difference between scout and judge? And then tell us how you became a scout and what was your experience?
Well, a scout, actually, they took the two people at the time, a year ago, that were always fighting for first place on QA and gas, the best reporters. It's, I call him Ilili. Some people call him the fence, others the wall. Some ELI. I've heard so many things. Well, maybe you know. Yeah, they took us both, and so the responsibility you have is that there's the code base that comes a day or two before the contest, and you actually need to make sure that everything is working, like it's compiling, the tests are running, Sliver works, the links would be working on Code4rena's website, the scope and the size of the contest is relevant with the prize pool, just making sure that everything is right for the contest. And
preparing that everything is ready for the contest.
Yeah,
there are dogs, test cases are running. Yeah.
So many times before this role, you were like cloning the repo. And then you wouldn't even be able to run the test suite. You see,
not even compile. You have compilation errors.
Yeah, probably because even here sometimes the thing happening most of the time they copy paste, as an example, the Foundry project, even the lib directory, but not as a subdirectory for the dependencies as a Git submodule, but as just a folder. So you've got that, and sometimes it's empty or it's not even working. So you need to delete it and do forge install the dependencies and then up it, and then the Foundry test suite would work. Just something like that. Sometimes you need to make sure everything works.